Hey everyone! Welcome back to episode 4 of my Japan Finds series. If you've ever been to Japan, you've probably seen claw machines everywhere, and I mean everywhere. From arcades to train stations, even inside shopping malls, these crane games are a huge part of Japanese gaming culture. One fun fact, Japan has thousands of arcades, and claw machines are one of the most popular games because of their super cute prizes. If you want to try them yourself, some of the best places to go are arcades like Taito Station, SEGA Arcade, and Round1 Stadium. Trust me, once you start playing, it's hard to stop. For today's episode, we're unboxing this super cool claw machine Gachapon from Toy Spirits. Grab and display crane game machine Mascot Series 2. Let's start with this yellow claw machine. Here are all the parts included. Now let's build it step by step. Step 1. Assemble the claw machine structure. Step 2. Assemble the claw itself. Step 3. Attach the claw and the mini control stick. And step 4. This set actually includes an alternative claw with a longer grip. That's really useful if you want better chances of grabbing prizes.
3 more.
Next, we have the pink claw machine, and this one looks super cute. Let's check out the parts and assemble it again. This version also comes with two claws, a short one and a long one. Depending on the prize, choosing the right claw actually matters. Now let's put both the yellow and pink machines side by side. Imagine having these in your own house, mini arcade vibes. Now this one is special, the blue claw machine. This version comes with a sound chip and even a mini plush toy. But here's what we're going to do. We'll use this sound base to upgrade the pink machine. It also includes a poster sticker to make it look more realistic. Since this one doesn't have a long claw, we'll borrow the long claw from the pink machine. And this shows, you really need the full collection for the ultimate experience. Alright, time to play. Insert coin, press start. That sound! It really feels like a real claw machine in Japan. Super exciting! And here's another blue machine, the same special version. This time, let's upgrade the yellow machine. Plushie actually works better with the shorter claw here. Perfect combo! together. As I mentioned earlier, completing the collection gives the best experience. But I don't want to waste the extra parts. So here's a little DIY. We'll use toothpicks to build additional machines. I'll color them gray to match the original design. We have 4 machines. That actually worked really well. Let's compare them with the originals. Not bad at all. Now putting all 4 machines together. This really makes me miss playing claw machines in Japan. And if you're planning to try them, here are some quick tips. First, observe the machine before playing. Some are easier than others. Second, aim for the edges of the prize, not the center. And third, don't be afraid to ask staff for help. They sometimes reposition prizes. That's it for today's Japan Finds. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, and I'll see you in episode 5.